Hi everyone. So in this video we are going to learn how to use uh, InDesign for a layer font. Uh, First we create our artboard. We are going to use the type tool to select an area where we are going to put our letters. So here I write the word Farandole, which is the name of my font. I'm going to make it bigger so you can see it better. And the purpose of a layered font is to have different layers. So here we are going to have here different layers with different part of the font to create the word. Okay, so my version of InDesign is in French, but with the detail I'm going to give you, it should be really easy to apply it to the English version. So here I have my first layer with the word Farandole. I'm going to use now my layer font. So you see I have segments of my or components of my font on each layer. So here we have only a part of the layers. I select them, I change the color to something more nice because it's also a color font. And now I have my first layer, which I'm going to call behind. And it's really important because you know which layer is on the top of another. So here I have my first layer with Farandole regular behind, and I did rename my layer behind. So now I'm going to put the second layer. To do that, I am going to copy the behind layer to have another one. Here I'm going to select the other one like that, and I'm going to change it to middle. Okay, so now you see you have this is on the middle one. So I have this, and I'm going to change the layer, the color, to something more orange. And now I have, you see, this layer. The thing is, it's behind. So I'm going to have to put it on the top. Cut this one behind. Yeah. Cut this one. Sorry, cut this one middle. And cut this one behind. Okay. So now I have two levels. Now I'm going to add the last one, which is going to be the top of it. Yes, now I'm working on it, and now I have to choose to select my text and choose the front. And now I have the front in the same color than the middle because I did select the middle. Okay, and it's here on the top of the other one. So now I have my colors, and I have my word with the different layers. Now I'm going to add another one, the last one, which is going to be, oh yes, and before I have to change it to front, and the last one is going to be illustrated. Okay, so what I do is I select the last one, and I select my letters. Never forget to select the letters, and then you put illustrated. Okay, so now I have illustrated like that on the top, and I'm going to select it again, change the color, and because I want my illustrations to be clear above the other, I'm going to select the white color. And now I have the white color with my last one, which is not middle copy but illustrated. And as you can see, I have all of my layers on top of the others, and I have here my word written. So now the last thing I want to show you is how to give a kind of print effect on the letters, which are, on the components who are above the others. So I'm going to put it on the front. I'm going to select. So here, to apply the effect, you have to select the right layer, select the frame here, not the letters, and apply the multiply effect. It's called produit in French, but you have to use the multiply effect. Okay, and here you can see we have a kind of print effect on the letter. Okay, so last trick I want to show you is if you want to change a color on different letters, which you can do in that font. So for example, I have my R here. I want to change that purple. It's on the front. Okay, so I'm going to hide the other layers. I'm going to select that layer. It's purple. I want to move it to a kind of strange green. I put the other layers back, and you see I have the R here, which is green. So you can do it for any kind of letters. So yes, so this video, I think and I hope, will help you to use layered fonts. Don't hesitate to leave in the comment if you have any questions. Thank you.